Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add a text element or a text container to your designs or projects over at Canva. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And if you guys were starting from a brand new project or are using a template over at Canva, these steps remain the same for when you add a new container for text. So let's say that I were to go back to home and I want to create a presentation for my workplace, for example, and I want to configure the text for it, add some new content, give it some body. So let's actually wait for it to load. So I'll be showing you two examples, being a workplace application for a slideshow, as well as a design for your t-shirt. So here we are. And if I were to pick a format here, or I should say a template. So let's do this one, for example. Actually import it into our project page. So here we are. And let's say that I want to add new text here. You would simply click on the text tab on the left hand side of the screen. So it's between elements and brand. So we're going to click on this, add a text box, and you can basically so here's a text box. You can drag it, you can resize it, adjust the text, give it some effects, for example. You could even change the font, change the color, and so on. So it's honestly that simple. So just click on this, or you can choose one of the presets. So if I were to add a heading, you can see that I have a heading right here. And then I would rotate it. So you could really add some customization to it. And the same applies to if you were designing a t-shirt on Canva. So let's do this one, for example. And we're to add a text box. I want to incorporate some more text here. So let's do this one, align it. So the pink line is an indication to show you that your text is aligned and everything. So let's do this. Here we are. And then we type something like cool design. I don't know really, but that's basically it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. That's how you do it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.